Stocks rally for a third day ahead of the midterms, which could affect future levels of government spending and regulations. The question now, will Democrats lose their grip on the House and the Senate?
Millions of voters across the nation are casting their ballots to decide this. Lauren Blanchard is now in Washington with more.
After months of primaries, campaign events, and fundraising pleas, it's now up to the voters to decide the balance of power here on Capitol Hill.
Voting is a select right that we get to have, and not everybody gets that.
Final voting began without any major issues at hundreds of poll sites across the country Tuesday. There were, however, some hiccups in battleground states. In Arizona, some vote tabulation machines in Maricopa County weren't accepting ballots. Instead, voters were given the option to wait until it worked or use a secure drop box and have their ballot counted at the end of the day. They were also allowed to go to a different voting center.
They're not being disenfranchised in any way. They're voting. It's just a different way of it being counted. It can either be counted right here or it can be counted right here.
In Pennsylvania, some polling places briefly ran out of ballots, an issue that was quickly fixed. The biggest problem, mail-in ballots that had flaws, such as incorrect dates and missing signatures. Democrat John Fetterman's campaign has filed a lawsuit to make sure those ballots are counted in the coming days, a lawsuit his Republican rival isn't worried about.
When all the votes are counted, I'm going to be the winner. And the reason for that is because I've been pushing hard every day about the kitchen table issues, the issues that are plaguing Pennsylvanians.
No issues were reported in the closely watched swing states of Nevada and Georgia. Overall, the Department of Homeland Security says there has been no credible threats to disrupt voting so far. A senior DHS official saying, quote, "We have not seen any evidence of foreign influence affecting any of our election infrastructure." Razor-thin races in Georgia and Pennsylvania mean we may not know who wins control of the Senate by tonight. In Washington, Lauren Blanchard, Fox 32, Chicago.